The Ministry of Youth Development and Sports is actively promoting literacy among students through engaging and interactive workshops. Departing from traditional reading methods, the ministry is introducing fun ways for young people to connect with books. A recent workshop involved students in creative activities such as composing songs inspired by passages and sentences from books. Melandra Wilson, a youth worker with the ministry, detailed the program's objectives.
Today we're introducing the students to fun and interactive ways that they can engage in reading. Not just the traditional way of just taking a book and reading, but you can make it fun. So today we had them create a song using a book, so they had to pick out paragraphs and sentences from the book to create a fun song. Also, we want to show them that reading is important, and no matter what walk of life, not career path you choose, that you need to engage in some form of reading. It can be basic literacy, but we need reading, the skills of reading. We're hoping that it will increase students' engagement in reading. Like I said, no matter if it's, just make it fun and interactive, like doing a quiz or creating a song or poem, but we're hoping that we spark the interest and improvement in reading. We do have plans for the future to do more activities at the schools.
Acknowledging studies indicating a decline in literacy skills among young people, the ministry is taking proactive steps to encourage reading. They believe that despite technological advancements, literacy remains crucial for future development.
We're going to various secondary schools in the South, doing the same activity. Studies have shown that literacy skills in young people have been declining, and we want to do our part, no matter how small it is, in encouraging reading and showing young people that with all the technology that is coming about, we need to be able to read. We need some literacy skills, and literacy skills is important for future development.
Heidi Toussaint, an English teacher and head of department at the Micoud Secondary School, praised the ministry's initiatives.
They have been engaging our students in activities to help them read and to help them appreciate the value of reading. So far it's been wonderful. We just culminated a very interactive activity where they use a very popular soundtrack to create music, to create a song of their own based on a text that they had read. So it was very interesting, and our students displayed their talent to the max. Our students are extremely enthusiastic about reading. They love reading different texts, whether it be e-text, e-books, or hard copy. There's a variety for them to engage with. So right now they're super excited because we are in the middle of Reading Month, and we have had very exciting activities planned for them.
Through these engaging workshops, the Ministry of Youth Development and Sports aims to cultivate a lasting appreciation for reading and improve overall literacy rates among the youth of St. Lucia. Joachim Duplessis, HDS News Force.